Hi, this is Pedro Secure Realtor with the 39 North team at HomeSmart. In today's video, we're going to be giving you a few tips on how to move, how to relocate.
There's a huge migration of people, predominantly from the Midwest and from California to Colorado. The strong economy is part of it, lower property taxes, and then obviously all the amenities that go with Rocky Mountain Mile High living. The sports teams, Go Avalanche just won the Stanley Cup, and then Breckenridge, A-Basin, Copper, Aspen, Vail. Just a beautiful place to live. And so we have this growing population. In fact, they project that in the next 15 years on Denver Metro and the Front Range from Fort Collins to Colorado Springs, 1 million more people will be added to the state population. And so this is a great opportunity for you to be able to get more and more doors, to be able to have rental income that can build generational wealth for you and your loved ones.
Thanks for watching our video. Please consider subscribing to our channel. We're gonna have more tips and more information about the Denver metro area, and we can't wait to see you in the next video.